All right, so today we're going to learn about fractions. So what is the definition of a fraction? A fraction is a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. So it is a small or tiny part, amount, or proportion of something. Quick video, we'll play. Oops, maybe not. There we go. Okay, well, the video won't play, so. Okay, so there are three different types of fractions. The first one is a proper fraction, which is right here. And it is where the numerator is smaller than the denominator and it represents less than one whole. An improper fraction is over here. And that is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. And then that represents more than one whole. And then a mixed number is another way to write an improper fraction, and it shows the whole amount and then the fraction as a whole, or of a whole. All right, so a chocolate bar. So I brought a prop. So I have a huge chocolate bar, and this is one whole. And then when I split it, these equal each a half. So this is 1/2 and this is 1/2. And then split it again. I now have 4/4, which equal 1 whole. But if I take 2 of them, I have 1/2 or 2/4. So some examples, so you guys can raise your hands or whatever. What fraction of the squares are pink? Justine.
1/2 or 3/6.
Yes, 3/6. Oh, go back. All right, and so then what fraction of the squares are yellow? Candace? You're on mute.
Just making sure here. 6/10.
Yes. All right. So now simplifying fractions. So to simplify fractions, the first thing you need to do is find the greatest common factor for the numbers. I think, I don't know if this video will play. We'll try it. Maybe. Okay, well, that video won't play either. So once you find the greatest common factor, so for instance, if you look at these two numbers, we have 8 and 12. The greatest common factor of each of those two numbers is 4. So 8 divided by 4 would be 2, and then 12 divided by 4 would be 3. So that would be your simplified fraction. So now we're going to simplify these. So we said that 3/6, Justine did answer and say that it was also 1/2. Oops. So the greatest common factor of both of these, or of these two numbers, is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 3 divided by 6 is 2. And then therefore the simplified fraction is 1/2. And for the yellow and green squares, the greatest common factor of 6 and 10 is 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the simplified fraction would be 3/5. All right, so now some questions. So what fraction of the circle is shaded? You guys can raise your hand if you know it. Amanda.
1/4.
1/4, good job. All right, what fraction of this circle is shaded? Justine?
3/8.
Yes, 3/8. All right, and what fraction of this circle is shaded? Candace. You're on mute again.
1/2.
Yes. All right, and last one. What fraction of the circles are shaded? You can either say in a mixed fraction or an improper fraction or mixed number. Justine?
2 1/4.
Yep. And that would be the mixed number, and then the improper fraction would be 9/4. And then I just added some fraction games at the end. So this one is sorting fractions, this one is types of fractions, and then this one is simplifying fractions. And that's it.